A C lifting beam explained. Placing precast panels up to 25 tons with an off-center point of gravity safe and efficient. Step 1. Attaching the panel. Beneath the AC lifting beam, 2 mini lifting beams are mounted. These smaller beams ensure the load is evenly distributed across the lifting points of the precast panel. Step 2. Positioning the lifting points. When the element is lifted, the lifting points automatically and symmetrically align above the element's lifting eyes as gravity brings them into position. This ensures the lifting points are perfectly positioned every time, without anyone having to look or adjust them. Step 3. Leveling the element. The element is leveled remotely by moving the upper frame of the lifting beam side to side, which is connected to the crane hook. When you look closely, you can see the lifting points move relative to the beam. This motion tilts the beam in the desired direction. A spirit level is placed on the element to confirm that it is perfectly horizontal. Step 4. Lifting. The panel is safely lifted towards its desired location. Step 5. Placement. Because the element is perfectly leveled, it can be placed smoothly and precisely into its final position. This minimizes safety risks for workers and prevents damage to the element or structure. Step 6. Repeat. Ready for the next element. Are you interested? Our team is ready to assist.